Greetings, brilliant minds! You've just stepped into the Young Scientist School.
A is for Archimedes, who shouted Eureka. He floated in water, what a fun idea. B is for Bohr, with atoms so small. He showed us electrons go round like a ball. C is for Curie, who worked day and night. She found radiation that glowed in the light. D is for Darwin, with birds on the tree. He explained evolution for you and me. Science is fun, come sing with me. From A to Z, it's discovery. E is for Einstein, with hair oh so wild. Energy secret, E equals MC2. He first compiled. F is for Faraday, with magnets that spin. He made electricity easy to win. G is for Galileo, telescope high. He showed us the planets that dance in the sky. H is for Herschel, with telescopes wide. He spotted Uranus, a planet outside. Science is fun, come sing with me. From A to Z, it's discovery. I is for Isaac Newton, with apples that fall. Gravity pulls us on Earth and all. J is for Joule, with energy bright. Work becomes heat, oh what a sight. K is for Kepler, with orbits so round. Planets go elliptical, as he had found. L is for Lavoisier, chemistry is for Yuri. Isotopes so rare, he found deuterium hiding there. V is for Volta, with battery cells. He gave us electricity, story that tells. W is for Watson, with DNA's twist, the helix of life no one could miss. X is for X-ray Roentgen, a wonderful sight. He peeked through our bodies with invisible light. Science is fun, come sing with me. From A to Z, it's discovery. Y is for Yuri Gagarin, first man in space. He circled the Earth with a smile on his face. Z is for Zernike, with lenses so clear. His phase contrast microscope brings life near. Science is fun for you and me. From A to Z, it's discovery. Learn and explore. Come take a ride with science and wonder, side by side.
Thanks for watching. Keep wondering and exploring. Please join again for more fun science videos.